Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I do have the air conditioner on. It's not on at the present moment, but if it kicks on, I apologize in advance. Hopefully it doesn't bog down what I'm trying to say. So today is Magical Mask Monday, and our Oracle card reading for July 17th. So today's mask is the Sapphire Gold, and this is by Marie. And it's a marine collagen facial mask. It has marine complex, collagen, algae, and sea minerals for fresh looks, hyaluronic acid, and pearl extract. So there's that. So we have been having the weirdest weather. It's been like a subtropical rainforest around here. And I don't mind it except the humidity. The humidity's the kicker. The air conditioners are definitely running overtime. So like I said, if the air conditioner kicks on, I am sorry. Ooh. Oh, that's cold. That's certainly colorful. So, I'm not going to say I don't like these masks, because I do, but they're not my favorite. They're very hard to keep on. Maybe it's all this coloring. I'm not sure, but they're definitely hard to keep on. Alright, so let's get to the cards. As usual, we will be using the Moonology, Ask Your Guides, and Sacred Forest. So, let's start out with the Moonology cards and get them shuffled. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week. A wonderful week. Oh, it is Monday, so how would we know? But hopefully the week goes good, right? Let me pull this down a little bit. Alright. I ask that our guides help us pick a card that will bring guidance for the week of July 17th, 2023, for our highest good. Alright. This is Full Moon in Scorpio. Time to release negativity. Alright, so let's find that. Alright, so that's the first card. Let's get rid of these. Alright, so next is Ask Your Guides. Oracle cards. Oops. We just trashed the place, okay? Spread them out. Ask our guides to guide us. To pick a good card for all of us. What I do is I run my hand across and I'll feel like a warm spot in the palm of my hand. And I try to keep my eyes closed. Okay. Victory, divine helpers. And that is number 15. Cannot wait to go get my eyeglasses, guys. I have an appointment on the 26th, and then it'll take a week or so to get my glasses. I lost them when Heidi Jo had her surgery at the hospital, and I really miss them. Alright, Sacred Forest cards are next. Alright, same thing. Let's ask our guides. Of course, now my eye's going to itch. Help us pick a card for the week of July 17th, 2023. Okay. It is Eagle Spirit, which is freedom is the key word, and that's number 13. All right, so here we go. All right, so our Moonology card was a time to release negativity, full moon in Scorpio. That is what the card looks like. If you've been feeling paranoid and acting weird, take this card as a very direct message from the cosmos to stop it. Worrying yourself is pointless. It's time to release any negativity you have around the situation that you're asking about. If someone has been unkind to you, perhaps it's time for you to release them. This card heralds an emotionally intense time since both the full moon and Scorpio themselves are both extremely intense. It's time for you to feel all your feelings. There could be some hastiness in the air when you pull this card. If that's the case, take it as a sign to move away from anyone or anything you feel is toxic. For some, however, this card has a totally different meaning. Your sex life can improve now if you make an effort. Use your magic. You have all you need inside you to bring about your desired results. Additional meanings are it's time to move from living fearfully to living joyfully. Your right to have your suspicions. Grudges are toxic. Let something go. End an argument. The full moon in Scorpio has a sting in its tail. It can herald a vindictive end to a relationship. It can also be a time when we want to be good, but we're naughty. If you pull this card, no matter when, your dark side and your shadow self might be showing. The full moon in Scorpio is also a time of magic. If you were thinking of making some magic, this is your sign to do it. Interesting. All right, so the next card is Victory. And the keywords are divine helpers. Your divine helpers are present, bearing the good news that whatever you've been working on will succeed. The bad news, well, there really isn't any bad news, but there is reality, which in your case suggests that you can fully enjoy your success only if you recognize that you didn't get there by yourself. This isn't to suggest that you must diminish your light or be falsely modest in your achievements, not by a long shot. And of course, the air conditioner is going to kick on. You deserve to shine, so please do. Your divine helpers simply remind you to be grateful and acknowledge the contributions of those who have helped you get to where you are. This includes your spirit helpers and guides as well. One final word. With success comes the challenge of standing alone in your light. Of course, you've heard the saying, it's lonely at the top, but it doesn't have to be. If you remember how you got there, your divine helper's message is share the spotlight. All right, that kind of plays in hand with getting rid of toxic people and blah, blah, blah. All right, so the next card is Eagle Spirit. It represents freedom. Eagle Spirit invites you onto her back, and you dwindle in size so you can climb on. You hold on to the down beneath her feathers as she soars higher and higher. This card indicates that it's time to break free and let your spirit fly. Be daring as you go beyond predictable behavior. Fling your arms up to the heavens in joy. This card can also appear when you have let life or others restrict your freedom. Recognizing this is the first step to reclaiming your power. Don't allow yourself to be trapped by convention or the expectations of others. The truth is that you aren't here on this earth to be ordinary, but to step beyond limitations and self-imposed boundaries. You have the ability to choose your life on your terms. Perhaps you aren't always free to create the exact circumstances of your life, but you certainly able to decide what meaning to give those situations. Select meanings that empower you, for this is the time to break free. Hold the intent that boundless freedom surges through you, and so it shall. The eagle soars to great heights, as much as 10,000 feet. It has superb eyesight, allowing her to see from great distances. She can symbolize a need for a larger perspective on life. The spirit of eagle says, this is time to express yourself. Don't hold back. Choose life on your terms. Don't be trapped by the expectations of others. So, pretty interesting message. And see, this is what I mean about like these masks. It's already like dry and wanting to fall off. Not that I don't like them. They do make your skin feel soft. I hope you enjoyed that oracle message. Kind of makes sense. Like I always say, I mean, with these readings, you take what you need, what works for you in your situation. So, with that being said, I think we're done here. Like I said, the mask feels good, but it just dries out very fast, and it's hard to keep on. So anyway, that's your oracle card reading for the week of July 17th, 2023. Please hit that notification bell if you like this kind of content and you want to be notified of every time I upload. Please like and subscribe. It's free. It helps my channel out. Comment down below and let's have a conversation. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.